So from these notes, guys, please take note that here I made a mistake there. I put A from my previous lesson, but it was supposed to be B here. Yeah, so please fix your notes there. But this lesson, it will be based on what? On sine, by the way. It will be based on sine. If you got side angle, you're looking for the angle, you use sine. Then if you got angle side, you're looking for the side, still you'll be using sine there. But this is the only equation that I need you to know. Don't worry too much about this one, because these two equations, it's one and the same. If you do cross multiply, those fraction them, they will disappear. Please take note about that. So these are the situation that we'll be having: side angle, and we are looking for the angle, angle side, and we are looking for the side there. But I'll show you how to use this equation. These are the question that I have, by the way. These are the question that I have. So if you can look at, guys, at this question, you can see that here I have to solve that x, which is that x there, it's a what? It's an angle. As you can see, that thing there, it's an angle. It has been formed by two sides. And if you can check the information that we have, it is angle, side, side. Something like side, angle, and we're looking for the what? For the angle there. And if you got this condition there, it simply says that we'll use sine rule. But in order for you guys to use that sine rule, first of all, you should identify all the sides with small letters, something like this. This side there will just be small q because it opposite q, and this one there will be r because it opposite that r there, and this one there will just be small m there because it opposite that big M. Do you see? And for you now to form the equation, you can just do cross there. If I can do cross, I'll do cross like this. By doing that cross, guys, I'm trying to connect, guys, the information that I need and what I'm given there. So now let me just do my equation there, which is that equation that symbol say it's sine, and here is sine. So here I should put the angle, which is q there. But now on my numerator, I will put the side which opposite that q, which will be small q. Even as well as this one here, I'll just say m, and I'll put the side opposite m, which is small m. And now I have to substitute, guys. Substituting that q, it's 7, which is sine. Here it's x. That is the angle that I'm looking for here. And say our m there, our m, where is m? Small m. That thing there, it's 5, and say sine 40 there. So know, guys, how to substitute. Please know how to substitute, and you have to know when to solve the angle and when to solve the side. But now in this case, I have to solve this angle, and for me to solve this thing, I've got some fraction separated by equal. I'll just do cross multiply like this then. Open and say equal, open. So now I can just substitute. This thing is this and sine x then coming on this side there, it's 7 for them. So what I will do, guys, I will say what is in front from what I need, I divide by it, meaning that I should divide it by 5 both sides, so that both of these two things, they get cancelled. And when they cancel, now I'll end up having sine x here. So let me just press my calculator. So pressing my calculator, this is what I will do then. So I'll just say 7 and say sine 40, close twice and say 5. So do you see what I get there? That answer, guys, it's not yet the final answer. This thing there is just the answer from a calculator. It's not the final answer, by the way. So if it's not the final answer, I will just round it off like this then. I'll just put all these numbers, then that's 0, no need for me to put it. And what I can do there, I can just say crop the angle and say sine arc 0.8999, which is now the value for x that will become as, you just say shift sine. So now I can just press the value for x then. So pressing the value for x, it's 0 comma this 99 close. So it means that the value for x, guys, there will be what? Will be 64,14 there. Now you can round your answer in what? In 2 decimal place, because this one is a final answer. Don't forget the degree as well. So just put the degree, guys. But now coming from the next question, guys, it needs you to solve the what? The side. As you can see there, our x there, it's representing that side. So what I will do, I will check the information that I have, which is this thing. It's AS, which is the it's angle side there, and I'm looking for another side. Do you see? So now what I can do, since I noticed this condition there, it's for the what? It's for the sine rule. And for me to apply sine rule, I should first identify all the sides before I do my cross. Identifying the sides, this thing there, it's small k, it's small m, this one there is just t. Do you see? So now I can apply cross there like this. And when you apply cross, guys, you're applying that cross to connect the information that you need and what you are given them, to link those two things there. Do you see? So now what I can do, I can just do my equation like this. Sine, which is that I'm looking at k as the angle, the side opposite k, it's small k, then here it's t, the side opposite t, it's small t. And now what I can do, I can substitute there. Substituting here, everything will be straightforward there, because our k there, if you can check, it is x, then our sine angle k, that thing there, it's 50. Coming on this side, our t, it's 100, but now our angle t there, it's 55 there. Do you see? So now in this case, guys, what I will do, I'll do cross multiply, because I've got two fractions separated by equal. This will come there, this will come there. So all the time your x value should be on a what? On the left hand side. All the time, guys, when you are solving, I prefer the x value to be on the left hand side. My unknown value, by the way, on the left hand side. And this is what I have here, it's 50. What is in front from what I need, I divide by it, both sides there. Divide by this thing, both sides, so that on my left hand side it get cancelled and I will only left with x there. And now what I can do, guys, I can simplify all of this thing there from my calculator, so that I'll get the final answer. And now my final answer, it should be in 2 decimal place, guys. So let me press this thing like this, like, do you see? And say here it's sine 50, close twice, divided by sine 55, 5. So it simply says that the answer that I have here, it's 93,52, which is this thing, guys. It's a side. You can just put those meters there, because in this case they use meters for the units. Do you see? So it's better for you guys to use the units that they gave you. Please take note about that. And coming for this one, guys, I'm solving the what then? The angle. So for me to solve that angle, I should check the information that I have. So my information there, it's what? It is side angle. If I got side angle and I'm looking for another angle, I'll just apply sine rule. And for me to apply what? Sine rule, straightforward, I identify all the sides. This one there will be small b, because it opposite big B. Do you see this thing? And this one there will just be small d, it opposite that big D. And this one there, it's small e, it opposite big E there. And now what I can do, I can do cross there like this there. I can just do cross. That cross, guys, it's connecting the information. It connects the what I need with the information that I'm given. So something like this there, it's sine, and say sine. Here I'm looking at big B, and here that's big E, meaning here it's small b and small e. So let's substitute, guys. The side B there, it is this one, and same, our big B is just x. Then coming from this one, side E, guys, it's this one there. Substitution, man, it should be easy for you guys. That thing they will learn it from grade 7. And now what I can do there, I can just do cross multiply. like this, and this will come there, this will come there. Do you see? Guys, this topic, guys, it's easy when you start it, but now as the time goes, you'll see how difficult this thing it is, because there will be a time whereby you have to prove, and whereby you have to prove things will be difficult. So now I want to solve that x, but I have to remove this number. So I will say what is in front from what I need, I divide by it, both sides there. So that number there will get removed, and now our x there will go with sine. So what I will do now, I'll simplify all of this thing there from a calculator. So something like this then, of saying here it's sine 40 divided by this, close. Oh gosh, here I wasn't supposed to put brackets. Yeah, so because guys this thing it's not the final answer, you can just put this thing in 4 decimal place or in 2 decimal place. Actually 4 decimal place or in 3 decimal place. You can put it like this or in 3 decimal place. Do you see? And now I'm solving for that x, I have to remove sine. For me to remove sine, now I'll drop the angle, then I'll apply the rule, which symbol says that it will be sine arc, then you put this answer here. Do you see? So that I will get the final answer. They say shift sine 0.9 this, that. Do you see? So this is what I get, guys. And now it's a final answer. It should be only in 2 decimal place degree. So all the time, guys, when you have to leave your answer, you should leave it in what? In 3 decimal place. Or why, guys, I made this mistake. All the time, guys, when you have to leave your answer, leave it in 2 decimal place. But if you are not yet done calculating, you can put it in 4 decimal place, just like the way I did there. I'm not yet done here. It should be in 4 decimal place. But as a final answer, it should be in 2 decimal place. Do you see? Yeah. So guys, I hope that you understood everything, you know. And also, that thing of acute angle, it represents that angle there, it's less than what? 90. Even as well as this one, it's less than 90. So thank you guys for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.